Big data can be understood in two different ways. Like a shovel that can be both a tool itself and the act of using the tool to dig, big data can be both the data itself and the use of the data. In the first sense, big data is essentially lots and lots and lots of data. Collected from devices, systems, social media, sensors, and a variety of other places, big data is essentially all the information that occurs online on a daily basis. As such, big data grows every single day. Big data is characterized by the three V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume relates to the sheer amount of data. Velocity refers to the speed at which data is generated and processed. Variety refers to the different types of data. With so much data, it can be difficult for any of it to provide valuable insights or opportunities. Sure, there is valuable information to be discovered, but the discovery of it is almost impossible without help. Enter the second definition of big data. In this definition, big data is the idea of using advanced techniques to analyze the information and extract meaningful insights from large and complex data sets. By leveraging data, organizations can gain competitive advantages, improve decision-making processes, and drive innovation. This can be a complicated process. To begin, the data must be cleaned, transformed, and prepared for analysis. Irrelevant and inconsistent data is removed and formats are standardized. The data must also be stored somewhere where it can be easily accessed. Once the data is processed and stored, various analytical techniques are applied to extract insights. This includes descriptive analytics to summarize and understand the data, predictive analytics to forecast future trends or outcomes, and prescriptive analytics to recommend actions based on the analysis. AI is increasingly used as larger volumes of data can be analyzed faster and with greater accuracy. Once the valuable data is found, it must then be placed into a format that allows people to understand it and use it to make informed decisions. One might imagine big data as an old inherited house filled with a lot of stuff. Some of the stuff might be valuable. A lot of it might be junk. One might try to go through all the items by themselves, or they might employ an estate sale company. Sorting through the items, organizing them, and having a knowledge of what old piece of furniture is valuable and what piece of old furniture is worth more as firewood is important. A lot of the stuff might be trash, but mixed within the trash could be jewelry, books, or furniture worth a great deal. By taking the time to sort through all the junk, value is found. With the sheer amount of big data, it can be vastly more overwhelming than a house filled with junk. However, by using big data techniques, big data information can be extremely useful to organizations that take the time to mine it for value. And speaking of value, are you looking for a top-notch technology partner for around 1/3 of typical U.S. market rates? Swan Software Solutions can help. Visit swansoftwaresolutions.com to schedule a free assessment.